How to save battery on Infinix Smart X cell phone so it does not run out quickly. Okay guys, so if you want to fix your battery problem on Infinix Smart X, why does the battery run out so quickly? Okay, so you can going to the setting and then you can going to the power marathon. And here you can see the battery saving setting, and here you can enable power saving management for apps like this. And next you can enable short video optimization, and the last step you can enable the battery saver like this. Okay guys, just like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.